Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you basic network configuration in Cisco Packet Tracer. For this, go to bottom of the Cisco Packet Tracer and you will see network device icon. Select the network device and take any one of this router and drag it to the workspace. You need one router and two switch and take two PC for each switch. And after you do this, now draw lines from each device for the connection. Select this flash icon for the connection, and after you click this, you will see the list here, and from this list select copper straight through cable and draw the lines from PC0, select fast Ethernet 0 up to switch 0 and select any one of the interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Again select copper straight through cable from PC1, select fast Ethernet 0 up to switch 0 and select fast Ethernet 0/2. Same for this device, select copper straight through cable from PC2 fast Ethernet 0 up to switch 1, select fast Ethernet 0/1. Also select this cable from PC3, choose fast Ethernet 0 up to switch 1 and select fast Ethernet 0/2. After you finish drawing the lines from PC to switch, now you have to draw lines from switch to router. Select the same cable and click on the switch 0 and select gigabit Ethernet 0/1 up to router 0 and select gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Here the connection is red because connection has not been established. Again choose copper straight through cable for the connection of switch 1, select gigabit Ethernet 0/1 up to router 0 and select gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Now we are going to configure two network. This one first network and this side will be the another network. For this we have to configure IP for gigabit Ethernet 0/0 of router 0 and also the IP for gigabit Ethernet 0/1 of the router 0, and this IP would be the gateway for this network. For this network, this PC0 and PC1, and an IP applied to this interface gigabit 0/1 will be the gateway for the network of PC2 and PC3. Just click this router 0 and here click CLI mode. Here you will see some text. system configuration dialog. And what is written here? See, would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog, yes or no? Just write no and hit enter. You will see press return to get started. For this, hit enter again. Now write enable again. Now you have to write configure terminal so that you will reach global configuration mode. As we are going to create two networks, now for this interface I will select interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0 and hit enter. Give IP address, write 192.168.1.1 and marks 255.255.255.0 and write no shutdown. Now you should see there, this part, the color has been changed to green, means the connection has been established for this part. Now we will do same. For this we have to exit. Now write the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1, hit enter and give IP address 192.168.2.1 and give subnet mask 255.255.255.0. hit enter. For both network I have chosen class C network. After this we have to type no shutdown and you will see that this side color has also changed to green color. Now in this PC 0, give static IP address according to the gateway we assign to this port. Click IP configuration and choose static, not the DHCP, only static IP, and give the IP address in the range 192.168.1.10 and give the default gateway (1.1). This default gateway is the IP that we has given to this port gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Now click close this, open this PC 1 and choose select desktop, click IP configuration and give IP 192.168.1.11 subnet marks and default gateway 192.168.1.1. close this PC1. Again give IP for this PC2 and for this PC IP will be the range of this IP given to this side interface. So IP will be 192.168.2.20 default gateway, 192.168.2.1. also assign IP for PC3 desktop. Say click IP configuration, give 192.168.2.30. Default gateway 192.168.2.1. Now we will try to see if connection has been established. So open PC1 and click command prompt. We can see that by typing ipconfig, and we can see that the IP address that we had given before to this PC, this is 192.168.1.10, and again I will click this PC1. This has IP 11. Now we will ping 192.168.1.11. Ping is successful. Now we will ping to PC2 from PC0 192.168.2. We have to see the IP 2.20 hit. You can see that connection has been established and ping is successful. That's how we successfully completed a basic network configuration in Cisco Packet Tracer. We set up the devices, configured IP addressing, and tested connectivity to ensure everything is working properly. If you followed along, your network should now be communicating without any issues. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more networking tutorial. See you in the next video.